traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and this is my recap of the top 5 videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number 1 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we finally did get that breaker structure on the euro dollar today to the downside. So I think that pretty much confirms that the last series of higher highs, higher lows is over, which I think is the end of a wave 3. I think we're in a wave 4. This to me definitely looks like a trend, so most likely right now we are in a wave A of wave 4. I would expect this wave A, or probably the whole wave 4 itself, to go down to maybe the 50% fib. So at some point we probably will start a move to the upside for the wave B, and then probably eventually another push down for wave C before we actually do make another attempt on the uptrend. So definitely make sure, you probably could go long for the wave B, and sometimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on trending up. So definitely worth trying to go long for that if you do get a chance. Now, as far as the news calendar is concerned, we have some pretty decent news over the next 24 hours. Tomorrow is Friday, but this evening, which is pretty late for me, we got CPI for the JPY, so that's definitely a really good one to watch out for. We got retail sales for Aussie, we got CPI for the Euro, and then we also have GDP for the CAD tomorrow in the New York session. We got a little bit of dollar news tomorrow. None of it is really that exciting. Consumer sentiment you would think would be a good one, but they have two versions of this, and the primary consumer sentiment is usually the one that actually does move things. But we might get some movement out of the dollar tomorrow because it is the last day of the month also, so could be some movement just because of that alone. So, anyways, definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.